we're making a little mocktail with you today. Kathy is tying some fresh rosemary with a string or some twine and just taping it on the side of a glass. This is a funky martini glass. I never saw one like this, but you can use a wine glass. You can use a cocktail glass of any type. And I think rosemary is a great, main base. And then just a little water here and the fresh cranberries. And voila, you have the base, which freeze this here. And then you have a beautiful base to pour some sparkling, in this case, we're using some sparkling cranberry juice from Trader Joe's, but there's so many wonderful different variations that you can do with something like this. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. You can put a little cinnamon stick in there, an orange wedge. You can add a little apple cider vinegar or the high quality balsamic, maybe some juice, apple cider, orange juice with some sparkling apple juice. So many options. This is Jill and Kathy with Plant Life Journey.
Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Cheers.
Cheers. So good.
Yum.
I love it.
Mm.
Okay.